Welcome back. We got a change order today on this brushed gold shower. Nice and fancy looking here, so we're going to keep it nice and fancy by using the adjustable wrench to take off that shower head. I will be reusing it. This house is pretty much brand new. They just didn't like the fact that whenever they were using the shower, it was hitting the back wall and not them. Now, someone had used some dope on this thing, pipe dope that is, and we don't need none of that goop in the wall. We're just going to use some Teflon. You get enough tape on there and know what you're doing, you won't have no leaks and it won't be no problem. You know what I'm saying? We're going to go ahead and throw this new arm in there so to get a nice angle for the customer. We're going to reuse that old shower head. I'm getting it nice and snugged up, and check it out. We got a brushed gold fancy dealio crane bob shower head thing. Yeah.